chances of you having
a kid? Oh, power brick. You're talking about the power brick. Go, cross. Talking about a power brick, right? I just so happen to have 2 power bricks in my backpack.
You just so happen.
We're about to get fucked balls deep by this final.
We'll probably come out of here with a 72%, or Aiden will just come through and be like, yo, bro. I got you.
I got you.
We're gonna be in there next to us, like, fuck you guys. I'm gonna watch over you.
That's how I expect it
Oh,
to be.
because it is a chapter final. It's like an hour and a half, right? She'll give us.
Yeah. What'd you get on the test again?
Last night?
No, for the last test we took. That she let us take home.
I didn't hear it. I think I got like an 80.
80? I got like 85.
Yeah.
Shit.
With Aiden or something, right?
I think so. Let's see how it goes. Your favorites are here. We're ready to get fucked.
Tell us her name or just reach, right? So one way, tell us her name or just reach.
You know, if I finger it, I get a punch you. Do you know that?
No. Let me get in there. Let me get in there.
It's because he agrees with anything you say. Or you say B, he'll immediately start saying it right out there. Francisco.
No, we're talking about average.
Huh? 5,000.
Very good. Current flow will be the remote accuracy system in the car is called the CAN bus.
What was the name of it? What's the name of it again?
Francisco was his name. CAN system, the controller area network. Okay, so very, very lovely.
It's feeding time.
The current is the same.
Let's get this fucking final over with. We're getting 95s all in this circle.
Alright, guys.
Alright, you guys ready to get fucked?
Yes. Password? What's the password? Spell it?
Like R,
R
E,
E
C,
C
E,
D
E,
T
F, I, E, R.
I don't think there's a D in rectify. I'm just gonna switch keyboards. Or just get a new computer. How about that? Aiden, you earn yourself sitting next to Alex. Or is it just my way to copy off you? What the fuck is up with this chair?
It's missing a fucking. Why did you even?
Oh, well, now I know. Thanks for the heads up.
You're welcome.
There you go.
I got like 2 questions.
2 questions in and Aiden's already flipping. I really don't think I want to take it right now. I'd rather take it with patience and studying.
Moving a magnet.
This pops up.
Stationary core. This is.
So we want that. This is all good. Good. And then you hit next.
That.
Fuck that, let me read it. Moving inside a wire. The similar.
A stationary coil of wire and moving a magnet inside of it.
This is the whole Toyota package.
You are
I don't know
the
about
best.
the other two. The other.
I have the other packet.
Okay,
it's
cool.
just this one that was in the
All right,
binder.
good.
You are the best, Professor.
Yes,
Thank you so
I
much.
know.
Yes, you very are.
Dude, isn't that like the sickest view? I want that thing.
What, this thing? Oh.
Yeah, he's still the guy.
He's a sick ass fool. What, do you think it's because it was raining? The few days it was raining?
Yeah, I don't know.
He's got tools in the back. I think he's gonna make something out of it.
I feel like he is actually taking this home. It's not his roof. Because I've seen that while it's raining and he just has a top down with a big blanket. So.
Sick ass.
Did we park here?
Yeah,
We did, huh?
Too, right?
We did.
Dude,
See ya, dude.
bro.
Take care.
I'll see you on Monday. Don't forget to meet with us.
Love you. Alright guys, so just a heads up, we are going to a Carmeet tonight. I'm hoping it doesn't go too wild. Those are really disrespectful, especially here in Claremont. That's not really our scene. Because like I said, these Carmeets do get out of hand. I really respect the whole Carmeet and everything, but just the whole fact that everyone's doing their own hooning, it's not really gonna last long. And it is our passion, so you guys gotta remember, you guys are responsible for things leading on to not even to add an exhaust to your fucking car. Excuse my language, but alright guys, well I'll see you guys in a bit. That is a long line of cars coming in. Alright, so I'll show you guys what it's all about. Look at this fucking fair lady. Holy shit. Oh, dear God, it's fucking auto. The one skyline I've seen today. Oh, quick little second. Oh, take a little peek of this. Whose fucking mans is this? Dear God. I think they're going to the Zion parking lot. I don't know if that's where they're going, but I feel like it is because everyone's leaving. So I will find out shortly. Dang, so there's not just one NSX, not just two NSX, but there's 3 NSX. Hope I'm saying that right, because it sounds weird saying it all together. Already burnouts, we just fucking got here. So I hear, oh, look at this S15. Oh no, it's a conversion. I fell for it. S14 is hard as fuck. I think it's the Modelo one. I think it's Hennessy, not Modelo. Yeah, it's definitely Hennessy. Control over it, so send it, fuck it. I heard a baby snail somewhere. Oh, you won't.
Don't do it, it ain't worth it. Don't do it.
Don't do it! If you're gonna do it, back up! Then fly straight into the street. Ow, it's hurting me! What does he think he's doing? I don't know. I think he thinks he's peeling out and it's not going well. He thought he was burning out. He wasn't. He was burning clutch.
Power and nothing.
Ah, dude.
This guy's the sickest.
He is.
He's the sickest of all sickest. Yeah, no pressure, but last Miata got towed.
Be careful.
Ow. Hot rubber just fucking landed on me. Alright, everybody say thank you! Thank you! Thank you! You're good! You're good to go! Thank you! Thank you! Send it! He's a boy girl! Oh, he's so cute! She is so sad and disappointed. Fuck, they had this all planned. There's like 8 cops now. But 350Z, that purple one, I really hope you're okay. I hope your car doesn't get taken away. You don't peel out from cops when they pull you over. That's a big no-no. But I am gonna leave now.